A block of mass 3m slides along a surface of negligible friction with speed v0 and collides with a block of mass m that is initially at rest. The blocks stick together after the collision and then slide at a speed of v1. The block of mass m is replaced with a new block of unknown mass, and the experiment is repeated. This time the two blocks are traveling at a speed of v1 over 2 after sticking together. What is the mass of the new block? So we can use a conservation of momentum for two different parts, the old and the new, with the different masses. So since P equals mv, we can start getting going because this is going to take a bit. So m is going to be 3m here, and then the velocity is going to be, let's say, v0, and that's going to equal 4m because we have initial one, and then v1, which is what is given. And for this one, we are given a mass of 3m and a velocity of v0. That velocity is not going to change. And then it's going to equal 3m plus x, we don't know what x is, times v1 over 2, right? So first things first, I want to get rid of v0. So we're going to do that by, through this one, we're going to get rid of m, we're going to cross out m here, we're going to divide both sides by 3 to get rid of that. And we have an equation for v0, so let's plug in that for v0. v0 is going to equal 4 over 3 v1. And now you can see where we get to start simplifying things. So first we get rid of the v1s here. Then we get to simplify this. So 4 to 4m. Then we get to multiply both sides by 2 to get 8m. And then we get to subtract both sides by 3m. And would you look at that? X equals 5m, which will be our answer. Sorry if that was a little bit fast, but that's a pretty long problem. And when you're doing this problem, make sure to just know that you're using P equals MB for both sides, and you're taking it the old and the new. So yeah, that's a pretty tricky problem.